Mutate Madness.
Mutate Madness.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Great.
Groovy.
Dude, did you see that? It was like a bunch of guys with eyeballs for heads. Pretty funny, huh?
Here we are. Now let's see if we can find any more clues.
Like Clutopia. Let's go and check this place out. What do you say, Scooby-Doo?
Okay.
Yeah.
Zoinks. Well, Roget.
Wow. Look at all this freaky stuff.
Ruh-roh. Raggy.
Dude, you turned into a big ugly monster. Oh man, there's gotta be like an antidote in here somewhere. Zoinks! Like Scooby's in big trouble, man. That unmarked potion has transformed him into something very unscooby-ish. Drag and drop 2 potions over the mixing flask to make an antidote, man. And choose the colors wisely. The antidote has to match the color shown. I need to figure out how to mix a groovy green potion. I need to figure out how to mix a pink potion. Man, oh man, I need to figure out how to mix an orange potion. I need to figure out how to mix a purple potion. Let's try the yellow potion. Let's try the blue potion. Let's try the red potion. Let's try the orange potion. Let's try the white potion. Let's try the pink potion. Let's try the green potion. Let's try the purple potion.
Yeah, I'm buff.
Oh, that's a highly combustible synthesis.
You'll have to try this game again. Let's continue the mystery.
Whoa, that was almost exactly like my freshman year of college.
What are you guys doing here?
We're a team. You don't just go off on your own doing whatever you want.
Resume. Help. Restart. Game. Mystery Inc. Are you sure you want to restart the game? Are you sure you want to quit the game?
Yes. No.
Yes. No, man.
Yes. No.
Yes. No.
Yes. No.